To remove this panel, you simply pull it up. There is one clip and another small one right here that holds it in place. And right here, guys, we have the part number for this top cover. To remove this panel, first we'll have to unscrew a small nut right here. And now I will pull it off. And this is how it looks. And this is the part number for this panel. And another part number for the bottom piece. Now we will repeat the process on the left side. First we will pull off this panel. This is a part number for this guy. There is another nut right here which needs to be unscrewed. And now I will pull it up as well. There is one clip on the right side, one on the left. This is the part number for this panel. Now we'll pull off the weather stripping. And we will start pulling this panel up. There is one clip right here. And the panel will come off. This is how the scuff panel looks like. It's been held by 4 clips. Then we have a couple of claws on each side, and actually 3 of them, and the same ones on the other side. And right here we have the part number for this panel. Now we will reinstall this panel. Align it so that all clips go back in place. And now it's good to go. Now we'll use our plastic nut to secure this storage panel. You can just hand tighten it, and then this cover goes on top. Make sure that this clip goes in first. And then we'll reinstall the cover. The cover has this hook, guys, which will go right there.